Hello everyone, this is Tapish Gaur. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to share my views on power of writing goals. We'll start with one real life story. This story is of my old friend, close friend. Like when both of us were in the start of our professional journey, we used to visit each other house on regular basis. Once I visit to his house, I saw a pic of red color car which is pasted in front of his bed. So I simply saw he might have pasted this pic out of his liking about the cars. So I simply ignored. But after 3 4 days, when I revisited to his house, I saw he changed the direction of his bed. On the same way, he changed the direction of that pic also. Like that red color pic of car was shifted from one wall to another wall, but again it lies in front of his bed. Then I asked him, there might be some reason you had changed the direction of your bed, but what is the reason why you had changed the direction of pic? Then he asked me, this is not a pic for him, well, me. This was his word. This is not a pic for me. This is a big dream for me. He asked me to go closer to that pic. I went closer to that pic. There was mentioned once I will own this car. So he said he has written somewhere with date as well as timing when he is going to have this car. This was his statement. So I got excited. I wish him luck for this car. I said all the best, and I am confident you will be owning this car soon. After 1.5 years, he shifted to some other place. So both were at different place. Although we were connected with each other through phones and all. After 4 years, when I again reconnected him phone, asking about his well-being and all, I asked out of my curiosity. I still asked me that red color car pic is still pasted in front of your bed, or you had removed it, or you had it's not there with you. Then he responded, no, that red color car pic is not in front of my bed right now. I thought, why is it so? Yaar? You were dreaming that car and you were confident, you had specified date and time also. He said yes, because I had started owning that car, so that pic has removed in front of my bed. It means the car he has dreamed 4 years back, now he is the owner of that car. This is the power of writing. This is the power. This is again given me a lot of inspiration that I will also start writing. This was the only incidents which give me confidence, and which helps me in understanding the power of writing goals. So it is very sad. Goals which are not written, they are just our dreams. And if you start writing goals, then it will create sets of events, and you will find that you are more likely to achieve your goals, and you are more likely to be successful in achieving your goals. You will start enjoying the achievement of your goals. When you start writing your goals, you will start visualizing them, and visualization has a big power. When you start visualizing your goal, it will start reflecting in your act. It has been said that you will be more productive. You will be more productive when you start seeing what you want to do instead of just thinking of it. So this is my understanding about the subject. So hope you guys has enjoyed my views. So all the best. Hope you guys are staying healthy at home. Thank you very much. Good night.